things all require time and funding to reach fruition and hard work to be put in. Afghans are, I believe, very entrepreneurial and resourceful, and having established themselves throughout the diaspora, obviously in the United Kingdom, but in other countries too. As you get into building businesses, etc. here, please remember Afghanistan. Western life can take up an awful lot of time somehow, which is perhaps not the case in other countries, and indeed in Afghanistan. And that time can get absorbed, and we forget perhaps what needs to be done elsewhere.